marketing manager here at elliTek, and I'm in the shop today to give you all a sneak peek at this Hanwha HCR5 collaborative robot. It's got a payload of 5 kilograms, a reach of 915 millimeters. It's made of cast aluminum, so it's lightweight yet durable. The great thing we love about Hanwha is this interface. It's super intuitive, and you don't have to be a controls engineer to operate. And I'm going to show you just how that is. It's doing a simple pick and place application. And if you want to see this cobot in action, you can schedule a free demo with us. It's free demo at elliTek.com. Or if you want to learn more about it, head to our website, elliTek.com/Hanwha. You can learn about the HCR5 as well as their other two models, the HCR3 and the HCR12. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and if you want to give us a call, 865-409-1555. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.